everybody! Today, we've got something special just for you. Let's get right to it. First up, let's talk about where we are today. Electric vehicles have come a long way from the early days of the Nissan Leaf and the first-gen Tesla Roadster. As of now, almost every major car manufacturer has at least one EV model in the market or in development. We've seen incredible advancements in battery technology, power efficiency, and vehicle design. But what's even more exciting is the shift in consumer perception. EVs are no longer just a niche for the eco-conscious, but are becoming a mainstream choice. One of the biggest game changers in EVs is undoubtedly battery technology. Companies like Tesla, with their Battery Day announcements, have promised bigger, better, and more affordable batteries. But it's not just about size or capacity. It's about how quickly these batteries can charge, how long they last, and how sustainably they can be produced. Solid-state batteries are on the horizon, promising to revolutionize our approach with higher energy densities and faster charging times than ever before. Now, for the speed enthusiasts out there, let's talk performance. The notion that EVs can't compete with the roar of a gasoline engine is quickly becoming a thing of the past. We've seen electric powertrains in hypercars like the Rimac Nevera and the Lotus Evija pushing out mind-boggling horsepower numbers and torque from the get-go. The instant acceleration from an EV is something that has to be felt to be believed. Autonomous technology is another area where electric vehicles are leading the charge. With electric platforms allowing for easier integration of advanced sensors and software, companies like Tesla, Google's Waymo, and even traditional manufacturers are heavily investing in autonomous driving technologies. This could redefine the very nature of driving in the near future. Let's talk infrastructure. The growth of EVs depends heavily on charging infrastructure. It's not just about having more charging stations, but also about the speed and accessibility of these stations. We're seeing a global push to expand this network, with innovations like over-the-air updates to improve existing hardware and software systems that guide you to the nearest available charger. A major driving force behind the adoption of electric vehicles is their potential to reduce carbon emissions. However, the environmental impact of EVs isn't just about emissions. It encompasses the entire life cycle of the vehicle, from the mining of materials like lithium and cobalt to battery disposal and recycling. How the industry tackles these challenges will be crucial in making EVs truly green. The economic landscape is also being transformed by the rise of electric vehicles. With countries like Norway and the UK setting ambitious goals to phase out fossil fuel cars, there's a clear market shift underway. This is influencing not just consumer behavior, but also investments in green technology, the oil industry, and even geopolitics as nations contend for battery materials. Government policy is a major player in the EV revolution. Incentives like tax breaks, subsidies, and grants play a big part in making EVs affordable for the average consumer. But it's not just about making them cheaper up front. It's also about supporting the development of the necessary infrastructure and technology through legislation and funding. So, what's next for electric vehicles? We're looking at not just cars, but also trucks, buses, and even ships going electric. Innovations like vehicle-to-grid technology, where your car serves as a battery to power your home, are already on trial. The future is also likely to bring more personalization in EVs, with software updates that customize everything from your car's handling to its interior environment. The future of electric vehicles is not just promising, it's electrifying. The next few decades are going to be pivotal in shaping an automotive future that could be all electric. From technology and performance to environmental impact and economic implications, the road ahead is bright and bustling with innovation. And just like that, we're at the end. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Stay awesome, hit subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.